Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, today I'd like to announce something exciting for all my subscribers. As you can see from my subscriber count, I'm approaching the 10,000 subscriber mark. I'm about 2,300 subscribers out, and when I hit that 10,000 subscriber mark, I'm giving away a few prizes. And I'd like to thank a couple of my sponsors for supplying the prizes for me. One, Desert Aircraft and Polymakers. And Desert Aircraft, they make two-cycle gasoline engines for large-scale RC aircraft. And Polymakers, as you know, they make 3D filament to print, 3D printing filament. So I'd like to thank both of those for sponsoring this contest. So I will be giving away a DA35 motor from Desert Aircraft, 5 rolls of Polymakers 3D printing filament, and a CAD mouse from 3D Connection. So this is how it works. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, and then when I hit that 10,000 mark, I will randomly select the people for the prizes. So I'll select the first prize first. Well, first, the person who reaches the 10,000 mark, you know, the 10,000 subscriber, that person will win the 3D Connections CAD mouse. That's, as you know, my channel is CAD Build Fly RC, and it's about designing airplanes, and that mouse will really help you when you're designing of aircraft. And I think that's a fitting prize for the 10,000th subscriber. And then I'll be giving away 5 rolls to 5 different people. And the filament is up to your choice, which what you want. So whether it be PLA or lightweight PLA or PLA plus, whatever they have on their site, it's up to you which you want to choose, which one. And the top prize is going to be the DA35 motor. Now the DA35 motor, that's a $600 motor, and each roll of these filament that you get, they vary in price. Could be anywhere between $20 and $50. So I'm going to say each one of these rolls is going to be around $30. So the rolls are valued at right around $30, and the CAD mouse is valued at $80. So yeah, but pretty exciting. And if you can, you want to be considered for one of these prizes, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, and you have a great chance at winning one of these great prizes. And also, if you could, just leave a little comment down there too in the comment section about you know, what you like most about the channel, what things you would like to see up and coming on the channel. And yeah, also just hit that subscribe button to support my channel. And there are going to be more prizes, excuse me, not prizes, but more giveaways and things like that coming up in the future as well on my channel. This is just the first one, the 10,000 mark. And the next one is going to be at the 50,000 mark, and moving along. And when I reach that 100,000, most likely I'll be giving away a DA100 at the 100,000 subscriber mark. So yeah, and most likely at the 50,000 mark, I'll be giving away a DA50 then. But for now, just giving away a DA35, just hitting that 10,000 subscriber mark, and we're getting close to it, 2,300 away from it. And also, I would like to invite you to go ahead and join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And if you have any questions or anything like that, there are a lot of nice people over there, and they'll help you out. And I help you out too as much as I can. So yeah. So I want to thank all of my subscribers and stuff like that, and my future new subscribers. So again, be entered in this drawing to win this these cool prizes. So that's going to do it for this video, and good luck, and we will catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.